안녕하세요. Hi guys. Okay, so we just did our Japan crate. So
and it was delicious.
And it's really hot in here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do the 2 DIYs and everything. And let's move. So what we want to do for what are you gonna do is we're gonna do the 2 DIY things.
That's why there's this water in a little bowl.
So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna do this one. And this one is the Corocoro Animal DIYs. So this is like the one that's similar to mochi. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of water into a bowl so it's easier to scoop out when we need to.
Yeah,
so,
we learned that last time, having a big cup.
So we got that, you got your water, and what you want to do is you want to have the little bowl because it's just easier. So let's
it's easier to scoop out of a bowl than a big cup.
So we're going to, I want to open it from the side because it's easier to get the look at the directions and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, it seems like we're good. We're good on that. We don't have to worry about like big. Okay. So when we usually do these, we don't we're not professionals or anything. We're just kind of okay. So we got these cute little animal things.
The molds.
The little cute.
We should totally keep those for after.
Definitely, they're really cute. So we got the animal molds.
Oh, look at them. They're hella cute. We gotta figure out how to use them though.
I'm gonna put this. You need a little bit. Okay. So we literally got the little animal molds.
I have a feeling they get pushed down into it. Probably.
We got this red pinkish packet, which is another powder. It looks like a strawberry. It looks
probably
like
strawberry, chocolate, and a base powder.
Chocolate, which is a brownish, and we got it's like one stick. So. Probably gonna have one stick to make one stick.
We got this. Oh, this is probably one of the ones where you fill up to a line.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do first when we go look at the thing is it looks like the blue the one right there. It looks like a music note. Okay, the music note right here. It's like trying to a little kid trying to put the number the shapes and thing. So it looks like we take what the heck. Okay, we pour the pink strawberry one into the little music note.
Mind if I look?
You can see it has a little music note on it. Yep, see. Music note.
Yep, the pink one has the music note.
See, there's a music note on either side. On this, there's a music note right here. So it's like putting your triangle in the
Where does the water go up to?
It looks like we put it up to the line. You see, if you see there's lines.
I know, but...
We don't put the water in yet. We look like we put the packets in first. So we put the pink packet in first. It's the strawberry one. I'm going to put this in the music note one. They're marked out. Each one there's a music note, there's a shamrock, and then there's a star. So we put it in the music. We put it in the music note. What are you doing?
I'm looking up English directions just in case.
Which is YouTube.
Yeah, or Google.
Everywhere.
Can you hand me the little paper thingy? Just so I can spell it correctly. Just so we know how much water and we don't screw it up. Oh. I spelled it wrong.
So we're going to put the pink packet in the... We're just looking up exactly how much water, because it doesn't really say how much water, so we're going to look up how much water. But we're still doing this all on our own, so... And the second one is the shamrock one, and what's the chocolate one? Put that in the shamrock one, so... Don't want to stick it everywhere. So... Put the chocolate one in there.
I can't spell English, by the way.
Put our little packets to the side.
And that one goes in the big one.
And this goes in the big one. Goes in the star. So put that in the big, Clean up our packets. So there you go. You got your strawberry, chocolate, and then your base one. So waiting for it to load. So let me look this.
Cause the water thing on it's kind of confusing. So like it's got like 2 ball things and make balls out of the other, and it doesn't help. We don't speak Japanese. This isn't English. I typed English.
Okay, if I'm looking at this right, there's...
We'll figure this out.
Looks like there's one loop, and then there's another. Let me look at the side. 1, 2. It looks like we pour water till so it's like the first circle.
Okay. I'll use this little spoonie to get it in. Which one are we doing?
So let's do the music note one first, which is the strawberry.
Okay.
So we're gonna put.
Might take a minute.
So let's see. Okay, so let's see how this is. Let's take our little spoon. They don't.
I think you're supposed to use the stick though. It's my guess.
Well, because the stick is for sticking. It's for sticking into the thing. So we're gonna. They don't give you a little spoon, so you kind of just gotta
improvise.
It comes really gooey.
Probably because I think we might need a tad bit more water.
I don't know if we want to put more water. Any more water, it's just gonna be gooey. I mean, it's just gonna be like watery.
Not if you add half a spoon.
I think it's actually supposed to be gooey like this because it's supposed to be like we're supposed to put it into balls. Balls. Okay, that smells really good.
Probably smells like strawberry. It's got like a mochi texture.
Yeah. So
okay, we gotta figure out the chocolate one next.
And it looks like for this one we're gonna use our thing as our little plate. So it looks like we take this. It looks like we take this and it looks like we roll it into like little balls. It's really sticky. It's really sticky. Seems like a lot.
Well, oh wait, it showed 4 for it, but oh my gosh,
You're gonna have to cut that in half.
yeah. So sticky.
It's literally like playing with glue. Playing with like the little things. So we literally like roll it. And we washed our hands before we made these, so.
Okay, well, stuck.
It's stuck. Get off. Get off me. It's eating my finger. Okay. And we got one more. Oh.
Yeah, just kind of make that guy a little bit bigger.
Okay. So when we make these, it's usually hidden. It's sometimes a hit and miss, but okay, that one looks like crap, but
Yeah.
whatever.
They're not exactly easy to form.
No. So the next one we're going to do is going to put some water into the shamrock one, which is the chocolate.
You want to put water in it and you mix?
So normally when we make these, there's like a little scoopy thingy, but you don't have a scoopy thingy with it. So I guess, we're a little bit out of it. So what we're going to do after we do that one, we're going to do the same thing as we did for the strawberry ones. We're going to roll them up into a ball, into 4 balls and stuff, and, so I'm going to do that.
Yeah, about rolling this one to balls. I don't think we can roll that into balls.
We added the same amount of water. It looks like it's thickening up.
Slowly.
Slowly, but no.
How many balls are we supposed to make with this one?
It looks like we're supposed to be making 3 balls with it.
Yeah. There's 1. It's gonna be slugs.
That's why we have to roll it.
Oh, nope, I got it. I figured out how to make balls with it without getting it all over our hands. 2. I like the pink ones. 2.
And then you just break that one in half.
3. It said 3.
Oh, 3, yeah. This next step is kind of confusing.
Okay, let me see it. I'm confused. I am very confused. Should I go back to the video that's not in English to figure this step out?
Check reference it, but don't have it too loud. All I see is 1, 6, 1, 5, and holy vey. This is YouTubers are kind of stuck right now.
We need to cross-reference.
Let's skip so we get to the part.
I'm gonna. I have to make it so I can actually see it. Oh, apparently I'm supposed to have the water first.
So we're trying to figure out, because as YouTubers we're not professionals at making these because we don't understand Japanese, but they're still really fun to make. So we're just trying to figure this out because
Okay, after it's made into the ball, you put it on the stick. And you're supposed to put it in water and then you put powder on top of it. Then you dip it back in water and back into the powder. Back into the water. Back into the powder. I have a feeling that powder is rice flour. Kind of curious what I go.
Okay, so we're gonna do like it did for that.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause this.
So we're gonna dip it in the water.
Yep.
We're just use one of the pink ones.
Oh, we can put some water in this. Cause that's what it says to do. I'm going by the directions. Okay, dip it in the water. Yep. And then into the powder. And then back in the water. Let's see how many times I have to do this. Okay, you do it about 3 times before you take. That was 2.
And this is 3.
Okay. Then I'll show you what to do at your 4th one after your 4th dip. It's okay if you don't get it on that end yet. 4. And then you pop it in that. And you can pop it off the stick after you coat it and roll it around even better.
Pop it in there. Come on, get off the stick. Get off the stick. Get off the stick.
Yep. And then take your stick, or your finger probably, yeah. Just roll it in the powder.
Oh my goodness.
We're making mochi.
We're making mochi. It literally looks like this. So, we're going to do, you want to do one? You can do one.
Yep.
Why don't you do a chocolate one? We're going to do a chocolate one.
I was saying let's just get all the strawberry done and then the chocolate because she hasn't gotten to the chocolate, so I don't know if it's the same process.
It's probably just different inside because,
Probably, yeah. Okay, I'll do a chocolate. Super soft chocolate. I don't even know if that's going to stay on the stick.
Bum, bum, bum. So now once we figured it out, and it doesn't seem as hard as, we thought.
There was just a translation problem.
And what you can actually do is, when I'm looking at this, is you can actually, after you make it, you can actually use these molds and make
you're
it.
supposed to.
But
I'll figure that out.
We'll figure that out when we get to it.
2.
3. You'll be able to do it when you better roll it around.
And this will be the 4th. Yep.
And you got a chocolate mochi. Lovely.
Okay, you can try a chocolate one because that wasn't easy.
They're really, really, really sticky. gonna be a really deformed mochi.
Yeah, well, it's not gonna be perfect.
I like that, girls.
Well, we also kind of added the water in after we put the powder.
Well,
here, I'll take my finger and push it over.
so 2, 3. Wait, that's 2.
This is 3.
3. So, I'm gonna make a strawberry so then we have an even amount because we're not gonna make all of them, but we're gonna make.
Just might as well make them.
Well, on camera we're not gonna make all of them because then it would be forever. But we're on camera.
No, it's just as easy as use your fingers. To get slimy, just go like so. Because you can do more than one at a time. Sorry. Okay, now you can put yours in. You can multitask.
It's like picking up a jellyfish.
This is when you improvise your instructions.
But it's still the same concept.
2, 3. I think it kind of works slightly better this way. You have more control.
If you don't like getting your fingers
Gooey.
then go for it.
What number are you at?
I'm at 3.
Okay. After I dunked this, I'm at 4. And then we only got 2 more to do.
You kind of see the difference is when you put it in the powder, it
hardens a little.
It hurts a little bit. Gives it a different texture, and it makes it a little slimy, but... And this is my final one. My final countdown. It's the final countdown!
Let's just eat the 2 that we have.
And so we've got...
You want this pink one and I'll eat this brown one? We want to try the goo.
Why don't we both try chocolate?
Yeah.
I'll try the goo.
I'll take a bite of the goo and hand it to you. That one's very gooey.
Now the goo part...
Very gooey.
Very gooey. And literally like bitter taste. But okay, so we're going to try... See if you're going to see them better. This is what they turned out to be. You can have them on sticks and like you can put them in the molds and stuff and you can mold them to the things. So we're going to move that up here. And move our little... So you get a chocolate and then we'll just...
Yeah.
I get strawberry, and you get strawberry, you get strawberry. Okay, so let's try the strawberry with the stuff on it.
Wait a minute. I'm curious here. Hers is different. I'm trying to figure out the mold thingy. Oh, her molds are in the thing. That's weird. I don't think it's going to show up. Somehow she did those. I don't know how she made white.
So anyway, back to what we were doing. I'm going to try the strawberry ones with the... I like it a lot better with powder on it. A lot chewier than mochi.
It's very fresh mochi.
I think if we put these in the fridge and let them like toughen up a little more. Okay, so chocolate.
I want to share this.
Sure. I like the strawberry a lot more. The chocolate, not so much. The chocolate is just too in a bitter way. I like the strawberry more. So yeah, this was our little wonderfulness of.
Excuse me.
So yeah, you can use the little molds and stuff. We kind of failed and stuff making our molds, but hey, it was still fun making it.
What's the powder taste like?
Rice flour.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this was us making our little thing. It's showing. Can like use. I think you can use some of the strawberry stuff to make some strawberry molds and stuff. But it's weird when you make it, you don't have enough and everything. But you can make like the little animals and stuff. But we just made it to eat it. So yeah, you can try that one out. And since we're going into 26 minutes, we're actually going to do this in a part 2, and we're gonna do this wonderful one right here. So yeah, go check this out if you want to go try this out. This is the Corocoro Animal DIY, and we're gonna go check this out in part 2 when we do this wonderful one, which this one is the kabaya. So we're gonna make some juicy candy. JUC. So go check us out, and we will see you in part 2.